Hey y'all, it's Hadassah, back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. If you're not new here, hey girl, how have you been? Okay, always happy to see you. Okay, so let's get into it because I know y'all are ready. So let's see, I think I ordered this bag whenever, y'all know, in the last drop that Brandon Blackwood did for his ESR totes, which I think was in March. Yeah, it was in March. So I have been patiently waiting on this. I know he was getting tired. He said he's not doing pre-order again because even though like he specifically said like so many different places that you would get your order by the end of May, everybody was still, you know, like jumping on, you know, his Instagram saying, where's mine? Where's mine? So I get it. But yeah, I got mine, you know, it's a little after mid-May. So here's the box. All right. And let's get into opening it here. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside, and y'all can already see that color coming through. Okay, so let's see, it just comes with a little piece of paper. This is the receipt that says signature required, and I just want to point out that once again, no signature was required. It comes in this little dust bag. And we open it up. And this thing right here was around it. All right. And this is the bag. I'm gonna take the plastic off of the handles. See, and y'all know, you've been on my channel for a while, y'all know that I like color. Like, I know a lot of these other channels and some of the influencers, you know, they like to stick to really neutral colors and everything, but that is not my aesthetic. It's not the aesthetic that we have going on over here. I definitely like color. Matter of fact, probably gonna time to switch up my hairstyle again because y'all know I don't keep the same hairstyle either. But okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It has the strap, which matches the bag, of course. And then it also is stuffed with this wrapping. And then it has, you know, these two little silica packets. So this is what the bag looks like. So I did get the metallic purple. So I'm trying to see, is this a true color representation? I don't wanna. Okay, there we go. I had to turn my lights down. So it is metallic purple. So you're definitely gonna have like that sheen and that gleam to it. Yeah, there's the color. So yeah, it's this gorgeous, gorgeous purple color. And I'm gonna have to take some pictures because I hate that it's not like being captured super accurately. But yeah, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous purple. And of course it says "End Systemic Racism" on it. And this is in silver hardware. Let me turn, okay. So yeah, that's more of what the color looks like right there. So back doesn't have anything. Let me get the inside for y'all. So the inside just has a simple slip pocket right there. You can see it at the back, and nothing else on the inside there. It just has this little tab says Brandon Blackwood. That's on the slip pocket. So yeah, that's what that looks like. And then it's a simple magnetic closure, as you can see right there at the top. And of course the straps go on the side right here. But yeah, y'all, this is super, like, I'm even more excited about it like in real life. It's so pretty. And make sure you're following me over on Instagram at HP Life and Style, because I will be posting some pictures styling this bag later on this week. So definitely make sure you're following over there so you can, you know, kind of see, like I said, the true color and everything of the bag. But yeah, this is super cute, and I love that it's metallic and that it's purple. Because y'all know I told y'all I didn't have any purple bags when I did my Coach mini pillow tabby videos and everything. So now I do have that vintage purple color, but yeah, this is more of a true royal purple color, which I am in love with. And I'm definitely gonna be carrying it top handle because that's what I love to do. I'm probably not gonna really use the strap that much. Matter of fact, that's why I didn't even unwrap it. I'm probably just gonna put it up somewhere. But yeah, I love this for a top handle moment, definitely. And love the color. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I just wanted to show y'all my bag because I'm super excited that it finally came. And that it's even better looking than I expected it to be. Oh, I will do a quick like what fits. So I just want to see, this is a mini pochette. So the mini pochette definitely fits in here, and also a phone. Let's see, a phone will fit, and we have a Gucci coin purse, which will fit, and also a, what's this, a pocket organizer will throw right there. Doesn't snap, so it doesn't snap if you put all of that stuff in there. So let me take like one thing out. I'll tell you what I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna take out this because I wouldn't actually probably be carrying that in here. I would just have the pocket organizer and the mini pochette and the phone, and then it does snap. So that's what that looks like. But yeah, honestly, I don't even know if I would be snapping this really, because I'm not gonna be anywhere where like my stuff is gonna like fall. I'm just gonna be carrying it. So, but yeah, if you're going to snap it, you definitely have to be careful what you put in it. If you're not going to snap it, it will definitely fit more items. Like you could definitely stuff more items in here. So I would say that for a mini bag, it's pretty, you know, pretty functional, because like I said, my phone is in here right now. So it does have little feet on the bottom, so that's super cute and functional. But yeah, that's it for this bag, y'all. I believe I'm not sure if there are some still available on the Saks website. If there are, I'll link them down below. But yeah, I got this in like basically his last release. He was like, I'm not making any more ESR totes. So there were some that went to some stores, and then some that went to like Saks department stores. So if you can find one in store, snatch it up because he isn't going to make any more. Okay. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.